Hi everyone. In this video, we'll factorize polynomials by grouping. The polynomials which has more than 3 terms, and we are going to use the grouping method. So in this, the first 2 terms, we group the first 2 terms and the last 2 terms. So in the first 2 terms, the highest common factor here is b. So we divide both of them by b. So ab divided by b is a, and then plus c. Then in this one, the highest common factor is plus d. So then we are left with a plus c. Now, the idea behind this bag is these 2 brackets, the terms in the 2 brackets must be the same. If it is not the same, then we cannot factorize further. So in such cases, you have to rearrange the terms and see how you can find the highest common factor. Then now we have the common factor again. That bracket, the whole bracket is common. It appears in both terms. So we'll take that one out, a plus c, and then what is left is b plus d. And then if you multiply it out using the FOIL method, you will get the same as the question. Then let's do the next one. So in this case, we can also group the first 2 terms and then the last 2 terms. The highest common factor is k is the highest common factor in the first 2 terms. So then you are left with x plus yk divided by k is y. Then in this one, the last 2 terms is a minus is common and also m is common. So you have, when you divide this by this, you will get a positive x, and this one you divide by negative m, you will also get a positive y. So we can see both brackets the same term, so that is common. So you write x plus y into the next bracket will be k minus m. Right, the next one, we have again we can use the first 2 terms and the last 2 terms. So in these 2 terms, what is common is x. Then you are left with a minus b. Then in this one, I'm going to take minus y as the common factor. Then you divide by minus y here, so then you will get a, and this one, when you divide this by this, you will get minus b. That is why I took the minus y as the common factor, because we will get the same terms in the bracket. If you take a plus y, then it will be minus a plus b. So that is not what we have here. So you have to think and then get the correct the factor. So a minus b is common. Then what is left there is x minus y. Then let's do the next one. So in this case, we cannot find, if you look at the first 2 terms, there is no common factor. Here also no. common factor. So in such cases, what we can do, xy, I want to take this one to this side here after the exam. Let's see, plus y by yb. So then we'll have a common factor. And we have a minus xm. Bring that here. Then you have, so we rearrange the terms. When we rearrange the terms, remember you have to take the term with the sign. So the sign of bm is minus. So you make sure you write the minus bm. Now we can factorize. The common factor here is y. Then what is left is x plus b. And then you have a minus m is common. Then you have x minus b over minus is plus b. So we have x plus b on both brackets. So x plus b is common. And what is left, if you take that out, y minus m. Okay, thank you.